If you have watched the news recently, you must have came across a lot of news posts and articles about layoffs in the tech industry. People randomly getting logged out of their work laptops. Freshers are struggling to land a job. And the obvious question is AI to blame? And if so, is my job the next on the line? After all, AI is getting better and better at automating tasks. And these are the top 10 trending searches on Google regarding AI's hostile taking over of livelihood. According to an article by TechCrunch, 2.24 lakh employees were laid off from starting of year 2023 to the end of August 2023. And it's obviously not hard to imagine a future where AI can do everything that a product manager does. But is that really the case? Can AI really replace the product managers? In this video, we are going to explore the potential of AI to replace product managers. We will talk about the tasks that AI can automate and the tasks that will still require product managers. We will also talk about the implications of AI for the future of product management. So clear out your schedule and get a pen and notebook because you are about to gain some wonderful insights into the world of product manager and a pathway to become one. And at the end, I have a very special bonus that I'll be sharing with you. So let's start with what a product management is. Product management is a discipline that requires you to be an all-rounder from the collaborator of ideas, technologies, and the teams to deliver products that meet customer needs and drive business success. You are the CEO of the product from ideation to the launch. For this, you have to stay on the top of customer needs, collaborate closely with the cross-functional teams, including engineers, designers, marketing team, creating comprehensive roadmaps, and oversees the development process to ensure that product aligns with the goal of the company. And product managers are also responsible for product launch and its success, which involves crafting marketing strategies, setting pricing strategies, getting user feedback, and to continuously improve the product. I have created an entire video digging deeper into the nitty-gritty of the product management and what a product manager does. So you can find the link in the description box or by clicking in the I button and you can check it out. In recent years, AI and automation have undergone rapid evolution. With every passing day, AI grows smarter and more sophisticated, challenging the boundaries of what we once thought impossible. It has become an integral part of our lives, from Amazon's Alexas to self-driving cars, and its impact extends across the industries, revolutionizing the healthcare, finance, and even every industry out there. Let's not even consider the application of AI in hardware products. We all are aware about the ChatGPT and its remarkable abilities from coding a website to writing a thesis. It is almost smarter than humans and it will only get better at helping people with their day-to-day tasks and saving companies a lot of time and manpower. But even though these solutions seem convenient in today's age, they also raise profound questions about the future. What else can be automated? Many companies these days have made use of AI in one way or another in getting rid of mundane tasks that don't require human efforts. Some of these tasks include automating repeated tasks that are currently being done by humans, such as data entry, customer service, scheduling. Second type of thing that this AI is helping, analyzing the large amount of data quickly and accurately, identifying patterns and trends that a human might miss. Creating content such as blog posts, articles, these social media posts within seconds and without any grammatical mistakes. Detecting fraud such as the credit card frauds, insurance frauds. This can help businesses to protect themselves from financial losses. and making predictions about the future as well, such as the weather prediction, the stock market prediction, and their customer behavior, which eradicates the need for certain subject matter experts. Along with this, it helps in providing the recommendation to customers and employees, answering questions in customer service, providing 24/7 customer support. And there are a lot of ways in which AI is saving a lot of time and money. Now, from all these uses of AI that I have stated, it's clear that it can prove to be useful in the landscape of the product management. And yes, it's providing its capabilities in this role as well. Product managers are also using AI to do different tasks like data analysis, where they are using AI to analyze large amount of data to identify the trends and the patterns. Secondly, they are using this in collecting and analyzing customer feedback to gain insights. Third, gathering and analyzing market data to identify potential customers, track their industry trends, and access the feasibility of new products and services. Also, AI is helping product managers in feature prioritization. If you are not aware about the feature prioritization, I've created an entire podcast on this. You can find the link of that podcast in the description below and check it out. It is also helping product managers in conducting user research. I have also created an entire podcast on the user research as well. So do check that out as well. Product managers are using AI in doing the product testing, writing out the product documentation. They are also using it in creating the UI and the UX designs as well. They are using this AI in finding user personas, defining user mapping, finding out the problems of the customer, and also creating the sketches of the apps and the websites. And because of this, there are a lot of benefits product managers are getting because of this AI. First, their increased efficiency and productivity, because a lot of things are already taken care by this AI that we have discussed earlier, which will eventually increase the productivity of the product managers. Secondly, it's helping product managers in improved decision making. AI is helping in personalizing products and services to the individual users. This can help product managers create products that are more relevant and engaging to the users, which will eventually enhance the customer experience. AI is helping product managers in reducing the cost as well. It's helping product managers in shortening the time to the market for new products and features by automating a lot of tasks. It is helping in enhancing the compliances. It is helping in improving the collaboration. It helps product managers, but it cannot replace product managers. So now comes a very important question. Why product managers are irreplaceable? When we make products, they are improving the lives of people using it. And AI cannot replicate the innate human empathy required to truly understand the customer needs and solve their pain points. Let me share you some ways product managers are irreplaceable. First, product managers provide a human touch. They serve as the empathetic link between the business and the customers, and they possess the ability to empathize with their users, understanding their pain points, translating these insights into actionable product requirement. Secondly, product managers are best at strategic decision making. Product managers are responsible for making a lot of decisions around the product, and these decisions often involve weighing the pros and the cons of different options, considering long-term impact and making choices that align with both the product and business goals. While AI can provide data and insights, it lacks the human judgment and intuition necessary to make these strategic decisions. And the third way product managers are irreplaceable is that product AI cannot beat product managers' leadership and motivation. As you know, product managers are not just planners. They are also leaders and motivators. They need to inspire and guide their team to create exceptional products. Effective communication, team collaboration, and the ability to inspire creativity are essential aspects of the role that AI can never replace. However, let's not count our chickens before they are hatched. The rise of AI and automation will require product managers to acquire new skills to remain effective in their roles. Old school product managers didn't have to deal with the competition of the superhuman who could dig into the mountains of the data and provide actionable insights in just few seconds. We all are lucky this superhuman or AI works for us. And to stay relevant in today's evolving digital landscape, you have to develop the skills to make the most of this AI. Here is how you can get started today. First, learn to use different AI tools for different purposes. Figure out different responsibilities that you fulfill on a day-to-day basis and then map them to existing AI tools in the market that can save your time with these tasks. If you are assigned to come up with some user persona, just curate a good prompt for ChatGPT explaining your product and your user pain point, and boom, your user persona are ready. Or if you want to learn more about a certain market, use Google Bard's AI to help you in your research, since it can directly fetch you information from the internet. And there are many such tools out there that can help you in your day-to-day tasks. Second, always stay up to date. Staying updated on AI trends and market demands will help you spot new opportunities to use AI to improve product features, user experience, and business processes. This not only helps in making your job easier, but also helps you in improving your product to make sure it stays relevant. Everybody using AI these days, and if you are not aware of how your competitors are utilizing it, your product will fall behind. I personally read TechCrunch, Tech in Asia, Inc42. These are some websites that have best articles on the upcoming AI revolution, and I will attach the links in the description below so that you can find over there. Third thing that you can do, master data analytics through AI. AI can be used to automate many of the tasks such as data cleaning, data mining, data visualization. This can free up your time so that you can focus on more strategic tasks. If you are trying to drive actionable insights from a large set of data, you have got Looker AI tool, which uses its business intelligence and data analytics to help product managers explore and understand their data efficiency. Fourth, use AI to improve user experience. As a product manager, you can leverage AI for better user experience by using recommendation engines, chatbots, user behavior tracking, image recognition, A/B testing, content generation, predictive analysis, and sentiment monitoring. Even if you are creating UX designs, there are a lot of AI-driven Figma plugins that you can use that will speed up your UX designing process and make it easy and fast. The fifth thing that you can use AI for project management tasks. There are many tools in the market specifically for project management and agile methodology to effectively plan, execute, and iterate AI projects. They have automated sending reminders or updating tasks so that you don't have to bear that burden each time a project is completed. And some can work with the voice commands as well, so you don't even have to type that out. Now the bonus tip. Where can you learn this new age AI product management? First, you can go on platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy. There are a lot of AI product management courses tailored for non-technical professionals that are listed over there. Second, attend workshops and webinars. Attend industry events, webinars, and conferences like AI World and AI Summit to connect with experts in this field. Third, online communities. You can also participate in online AI forums and communities to exchange the knowledge and ideas. And fourth, read newsletters. Last but definitely not least, subscribe to the newsletters that help you keep up with any new development in this sector. In conclusion, the evolving landscape of product manager driven by AI and automation presents an ocean for opportunities and challenges. While AI and automation will automate certain tasks, Product manager will continue to play a vital role in understanding the customer need, making decisions, providing leadership and motivation to their team. By embracing AI as an ally, product managers can harness its capabilities to enhance their productivity, drive innovation, ultimately creating better products that resonate, that meet the customer requirement. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, let me know the 3 things that you have learned about product management in the comments below. And if breaking to product management role is one of your agenda, then check the description below and find the link for my upcoming product career web class where I will teach you how to become a product manager. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and learn about product management and its concepts. Alright guys, all the best. Thank you.